how to become proficient in spoken English. Before the above question is taken up, try to answer the following questions. These answers will give you in answering how to become a successful speaker of English. I'm giving you my questions, so listen carefully. How did you learn eating? How did you learn walking? How did you learn to speak mother tongue? How did you learn cooking? How did you learn swimming? How did you learn crossing the road? How did you learn driving? How did you learn playing a sport? And how did you learn posting a letter or chatting with your friend? How did you learn to make reels in Instagram? Or how did you learn any art or craft that you know? The only answer and the simplest answer to all these questions is by doing it. Am I right? So, you can learn spoken English by speaking English. There is no other shortcut method to it. Taking help from all the topics. You have to practice certain expressions and use them in your speech. That is the only way to learn how to speak English. However, you have to follow certain rules if you want to become a successful speaker. Only you can convey exactly what you want to. Try to use the exact words for your idea. If you do not get it instantly, refer to a synonym dictionary and try to learn as many synonyms as possible for that particular expression. Make it a habit to speak English. Don't use any other language while speaking in English. Be careful at the formal and informal situation and use the appropriate language. Last and most important rule is speak confidently. Even if you make mistakes, it doesn't matter. You learn only by correcting your mistakes and overcoming your difference. So speak with confidence. Thank you.